How to change phone number on PlayStation account. Now there is just few clicks away and you're done in editing or changing your phone number. So first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head straight into PlayStation.com's official website, which is going to be here. Make sure to log in into your account by clicking this blue icon right here. Next thing to do is to click on your current profile picture and then head straight into account settings. Now, under account settings, you'll be redirected to the overall settings that you have specifically for your account. At your left side, you see your information and security as well. Just simply choose on security, and then on the next page, you will only be seeing security question and mobile number. Now, you will also be seeing the existing or the current mobile number that you're using on your PSN account right now. Just simply click on edit, and then once you've changed your phone number, you will be receiving an OTP or a one-time password to confirm phone number change and hit on confirm. And that's it. That's basically how you change your phone number on PlayStation account.